Very dear students, this is the general thing, not exactly but more or less same. Your question paper, there will be section A with one mark questions, and in that fill in the blanks, then multiple choice question, then match the pairs, then define, like that all questions will be there. And it is given separately. Here it is given everything separately, it is given like that. Following statement is true or false. I won't give like this. This is the one of the other school question paper, so everything will be together. Okay, all questions together I will give. Then after that, this objective type, you are having the section B, part 2, that is section B, that is with a 3 mark question. So you want to you will get 6 questions. Here it is 7 questions, I will give 6 questions, and some options also I will give, but not a common option. Out of this many questions you want to write 6 or 7, not like that. For example, 18th question, there may be having 2 questions, like that way. Then section C, you will get passage. We already practiced this model when we written our PA exam, HBTA 2, that time. So you know that one. We are having paragraph. I will take the paragraph from textbook only. Then we will get 4 questions, and each question carries 1 mark. It may be multiple choice also, and one sentence answer questions also, like that. 4 paragraphs we will get. How many? Here it is given 3. I am going to give 4 paragraphs. Then section D, that is the 4th section, that is each question carries 5 mark question. So we are having 5 mark questions, and total it will come 25 mark. And map skill, we are having 6 questions. From history, geography together we will get how many questions? 6 questions, and having mark also 6 mark. So this is the pattern of the question. Then come back to one word questions, and we can see that one, the where we are getting questions like this, fill in the blanks question. What we want to do, we want to write that particular word only. If it is 2 or 3 word, that much only, that particular answer only want to write. Don't write question fully, or don't explain all things. Okay, here also it is fill in the blanks, here also it is fill in the blanks. So like that questions you can answer only that particular word or year, like that. Then match the pair, you want to write both side, column A and B. Column A, when you are writing its answer like that, for example, food crop, what is the food crop? Given example, rice. So you can write answer here directly, rice. Then fiber crop, what it is? Jute and cotton, like that you can write it. According to that particular question, you can write answer. Column A you can copy as it is, and column B, instead of column B, what you can do? We can write it that particular answer. Then multiple choice questions, you can select that particular answer. For example, if answer is C, no need to write C like that. Question number 5, that particular year 1883, like that much only you want to write. No need to mention that which option and all, no need that one. Then if it is true and or false, you can write correctly true or false, or the correction the sentence. One more things I given in the question paper details. In that we are having define questions and word meaning. So in that you want to write in 1 or 2 sentence answer. Points should be there. You can if it is defined how it is given in textbook, as it is you want to write, and if it is meaning of that one, you can explain that one in your own words. Then section B, why did Gandhiji choose the break the salt law? This is not our particular lessons for this CBSE question paper. What they given, from that I am using. Then if we are getting like this question, what we want to write? We want to write point wise answer. First point, question number 18. Then that question heading you can write. For example, question number 18, why did Gandhiji chosen to break the salt law? Then you can write like the heading. This is the question number. Then writing the breaking of salt law. That is the heading. Okay, breaking of the salt law. Then first point, second point, third point, fourth point, fifth point, like that you can write it. After the answer you can draw a line also. Then question number 19th, the objective of the secular state. So heading it is objective of secular state, as it is. What is that? It's question like that, objectives of secular state, or secular state also you can write. Then point 1, 2, 3, 4, like that you can write it. Then when you are getting paragraph questions, section C, read paragraph very carefully. It is textbook part only, not any outside passage and all. What is there in textbook, the same thing. It may be picture. Sometimes you may get picture, even in first 1 mark question you may get like that picture, and you want to write the meaning of that particular thing like that. So read questions very carefully from history, geography and civics. All 3 subjects we will get one passages. For one passage extra from any one book, maybe from history, or all lesson books we are having 4 lesson. So any one book, from any one book I will select the question, that 4th question. Then question D again, give an account of Quit India movement. Then you can write the heading what it is. Question number 28, Quit India movement, that is the heading. Then first point, second point, third point, like that point coming, rest of the points you can write it. Then map, you will get the map, you can draw outline map, that is better, easily you can draw it. Or if you are having this map at home, political map at home, take that political map and identify the places. For example, disco plant in Jamshedpur, or the electronic city in India. Okay, for example, electronic city, where it is in Bangalore, and you can put dot like this and draw one line to side and write like that what is the place name, Bangalore. Okay, this time be careful when you are making the map. Draw in paper that outline map and make and keep it early. Don't wait in exam day, you can draw it. You can draw and keep it early. Only map you can draw and keep it early, and according to the question you can find out the places and you can note it. And you want to, if you are noting here something, for example Amritsar you are noting, and Amritsar, what it is incident, Jallianwala Bagh incident. So you want to write first name, place name Amritsar, then what is the incident, Jallianwala Bagh, like that you can write it. What is the specialty of that area, it is given. Region famous for jute growing, which area it is, jute growing area that we studied already, it is in Bengal, West Bengal area, it is jute growing area. So you can note it. Why it is given like this map like this, because this is old India or the Indian subcontinent what we had. This is the Pakistan, then this is our India, and this is Bangladesh. So altogether it is given, and this area it is meant for jute cultivation, like that you can mark it. I think you understood. If you are having any doubt, please send a text message, then I can explain once again if you want. Okay, thank you. We'll continue next video.